Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to trade Kucoin tokens with zero
So
fees.
just tap on my Kucoin account and make sure you will have to officially logged in. And from here, I will just scroll down and here you will see the trending gain a new volume. There's the coin platform and I will just tap on this new. So there is the latest coin you will see since listing. So here is the rate and there is the profit margin you will see plus 29.9%. So I will just tap on this hype coin. It is new. I will just tap on it and how to trade it and with zero fees. So I will just tap on how to know its fees of new coin and make sure you will have to use with zero fees. So I just tap on this convert button which is top left corner bottom, and when it's load and here you will see here is the hype my coin, and if I convert in into USDT, so here it you will see there is the green short zero fees. So from here you can just enter the amount and from here you can just trade it with zero fees on new tokens KuCoin.
Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.